The other day, I went into the grocery store and I was in the bacon section. And I realized that there is a multitude of different flavors and varieties of bacon which you can purchase. And, you got your classic hickory smoked. And then I guess on the healthy side of the spectrum is your low sodium. And if you're so lucky, they might just have some of that tasty sweet maple brown sugar on hand, which I prefer that one for sure, 100%. I like sugar and sweetness, but I was not so lucky that day, and I was faced with two options. I could go with the healthy route or the tasty route, and I'd say I'm a pretty healthy man. I'm relatively thin, and I see no reason to sacrifice the flavor. You know, after all, it's all bacon. What's the difference? So I choose the original hickory smoked and bring that home. And I chop that up. I put that in my mac and cheese, and I'm happy as a clam. And now I got a kidney stone. So, yeah.